this source apparently. Sales data. Here we go. We might need to make a slight correction to our list. According to this source, Mario Bros. Has sold 48 million, and according to this source, I'm looking for the data as of December 2022. Where did they get this from? It looks like the more accurate version's coming from Wikipedia. And this person on Wikipedia did the work to put in the math to come to the number of 58 million, it looks like. So I'm going to say that Super Mario Bros. Sold 58 million copies. Pokemon Gen 1. We'll come back to Overwatch. A sales history. So in total it looks like from the video game sales wiki, Pokemon Green, Blue, and Yellow Gen 1 have sold 73.52 million copies in total. I really do consider Pokemon Gen 1 games, if they come by different names, to be pretty much the same game. That's the methodology I'm using here.